It's possible that the iPhone Fold will not actually launch in September. The iPhone Fold may really launch in December, months after the iPhone 18 Pro and 18 Pro Max, according to a recent forecast from Barclays analyst Tim Long. You're correct if you think that sounds familiar. 9 years ago, Apple did the exact same thing with the iPhone X. I'll explain what's going on, why this delay would make sense, and what it means for anyone who intends to purchase one. Shipments of the iPhone Fold will start in December instead of the typical September iPhone release window, according to Tim Long via MacRumors. Here's the crucial information, though. It's possible that the iPhone Fold will still be revealed at the regular September Apple event. The date of release would just be later. 9 years ago, Apple did something similar with the iPhone X, the first iPhone with Face ID that did away with the home button. Although it was announced in September 2017 along with the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus, the 10th anniversary iPhone wasn't released until November. Apple is following the same strategy. Additionally, Long reaffirmed the long-running speculation that the standard iPhone 18 won't be available until March of next year. He thinks it will come with the iPhone 18e and, oddly, the iPhone 18 Plus. It's unknown if the iPhone 18 Plus will be released in the upcoming year. It wouldn't be shocking if the iPhone Fold was released a little later. In addition to giving Apple a few more months of production time to iron out any issues with its first foldable phone, it offers the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max a little more time in the spotlight. If the initial batch of iPhone Fold pre-orders sells out, those individuals will probably have to wait until the new year. Naturally, there's no assurance that Long is even correct, but I'd bet there's a strong possibility the iPhone Fold will come out this year. Display: there is a 5.5-inch outer screen in addition to the 7.8-inch primary folding screen. Using materials from Kolin Industry in South Korea and lens technology from China, Apple is exploring long-lasting, crease-resistant displays. For increased longevity, a liquid metal water drop design is anticipated for the hinge.